Getting ready to go into MIR swap meet, test and tune. Got a lot of people waiting to get in. Got our swap meet cart. When we find some treasures, we can get them back to the truck. I'm John. This is Sidewater Garage. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Sunday, November 23rd. Butts Creek, Maryland International Raceway. We are pretty early here at the track.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Maryland International Raceway for today's swap meet and test and tune. Got a big old crowd coming.
Here's the swap meet area.
Getting ready.
Let's see what kind of deals we can get. Let's start, I don't know, start down here. All right, we might record some, but we're gonna take a look around real quick. '67 Oldsmobile here. 442. Got an Olds motor in it.
Oh yeah, I used to work on this car.
That's a nice looking car.
Again, tech inspection is open. Tech inspection is open. So come through.
Don't know what the particulars are on it. Huh.
And again, first turn is closed if you're testing and tuning today.
There's some more stuff, carburetors, exhaust. Challenger.
1015 for the Firebird. 1348 for the pickup truck. Truck's spinning big time off the line. They got a lot more in it. As we got another one that has something.
And we got some more stuff here. Just taking another walk through. We bought a few tiny things. We'll take a look at those later, maybe. It's nice. 40 bucks for one of those band saws that chops like a guillotine. That's pretty good. It's good stuff. Some pits over there.
182 mile an hour. As we are going to get in the little no time action.
Yeah, the swap meet used to be a little bit bigger in years past. It would extend farther down there where that trailer is. There's some wheels there. All right, let's keep going. A little bit of everything here. Bicycles, welders, wheels, engine crane, grills.
Not enough. Long tires. And the box body Mustang. That shirt almost like it has. That's that car got radios. Over here in Smith Press, not listening to the announcement.
All kinds of good stuff in there. Wooden steering wheel, I've got one of those already.
Maybe that radio press, maybe you got a rear end built for that radio press. I don't know.
You name it, they have it.
It's all about it.
They have a whole bunch of stuff here. Hey, if you need some cash for your junk car, there you go. Give them a call.
The purple Charger, left-hand lane, taking on the F-150.
A few more things here. Not a huge turnout, but
Rena Bailey driving the Charger.
then we got a slide hammer
Barry
set.
Smith and the pick 'em up
Oh,
truck.
there's a dollar box. Maybe there's something in there we want. Let's see.
See the nitrous purge up in the Chevelle. Stop the car though. Stop it just in case you're leaking something. Kate just ate down the road. At 150 for the 8. Kate goes 507, 135. Dallas Buxton, left-hand lane in the 2020 Camaro, taking on Joseph Payne.
Better now. 1040. So what do we buy? Well, we got a slide hammer kit. We got a nice pair of needle nose pliers, carburetor dust cap. So when you're working on the car, you take the air cleaner off, put this on the carburetor, keep debris from getting in. And then we got a couple of casters that are less clunkety than the ones on the swap meet cart. Ones on the swap meet cart have play in it and make a racket when you're riding around, so got some improvements there. So anyway, that was our take for the day at the swap meet. Well, we're leaving the racetrack. We stayed a while to watch the passes and had some fun today at the swap meet and the test and tune. So until next time, I'm John. This has been Out of Order Garage. Thanks for tuning in, folks. See you on the next one.